So guys, welcome to YouTube dance tutorial. Welcome to this dance tutorial. My name is Tiolong, the woman that do dance video and dance tutorial for you guys. So today I'm not putting those two videos you can see over here. Like you've seen those videos that you've seen that you'll be dancing, I'm dancing and following them. So I'm not putting this over here. So today's video is basically about this trending song, Papaoutai. So I'll be giving you 4 easy steps you can dance in this song. So there's no trendy dance for this song. So in case you want to dance this song, Papaoutai, Ute, Papaoutai, Ute, Papaoutai, Ute, Ute, something like that. So you can just dance any of these steps I'll be giving you guys in this video. Now the first step you will to dance in this song is so in case you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe down below for me guys. Kindly subscribe down below. And congratulations to me on reaching 3,000. Sorry guys. Congratulations on me on reaching my YouTube monetization guys. So I'm currently monetized. You can give me thanks. They call it super thanks now. Super chat in this video if you like. Let's dive right into this. The first step, the dance to try you dance this step is this simple dance. You are saying Papaoutai, Ute, Papaoutai, after you should roll. Papaoutai, 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 Papaoutai. Are you seeing guys? An easy dance, just side, you roll your hands like this. Go to the side, you roll your hands like this. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. Papaoutai, Papaoutai. I see my legs going back and front, back and front, back and front, back and front. I see that. This Papaoutai, Papaoutai, Papaoutai. So you're missing that step now. You have to do this one. While you roll your hands like this, you open. Papaoutai, 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 Papaoutai. I see guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Papaoutai, 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 Papaoutai. First things first, just roll your hand like this. Papaoutai, open. Papaoutai, Papaoutai. I think guys, so this dance is the trendy dance for you guys know this song I just trained Alonzi. Yeah, I did a tutorial about this dance Alonzi. So it's one of the trendy dance currently, so you can use it for this Papaoutai dance. Papaoutai, 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 Papaoutai. So guys, once I learn that dance, you move on to the next one. So the second dance you can do inside this tutorial is this trending. It has been trending right from time, but it's basically a leg work. Actually, basically a leg work. So just left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left. Shake, 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 shake. I think guys, you can do this one. This one is the popular dance basically, so you can do it in this Papaoutai dance. Papaoutai, 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 Papaoutai. I think guys, first step to dance is that you have to do is to let your leg walk. Your leg movement basically. Your legs should be in V shape. Then close, open, 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 close, open. Let's see guys. Easy guys, just learn it. Make sure you take it easy guys. You learn it easy. Please. Let's dance guys. So let's dance together with song. Make sure that the hand moves is 1, 2, 1, 2, double, double, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, One. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. Papaoutai, 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 Papaoutai. Now follow me, guys. Now the next step on this tutorial, the next step is Papaoutai, 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 down your neck, down your neck. Are you following me, guys? So basically, down your neck, down your neck, down your neck, down your neck. Make sure I'm getting it, guys. Make sure I'm getting it. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, down your neck, down. So this isn't down. Let's go. Go. Papaoutai, 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 Papaoutai. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Papaoutai, 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 Okay, guys. That is the third step to dance in this dance, guys. That's the third step. Now, the fourth step on this dance is the last step. Is very easy dance. Just forward and backward. 5, 6, 7, go. Papaoutai, 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 Papaoutai. I think I just see left forward, right forward, left forward, right forward, left forward. Which is that? No man. Let's go together, guys. 5, 6, 7, go. Papaoutai, Papaoutai, Papaoutai. This is it, guys. Let's together. 5, 6, 7. Right leg forward. Left leg forward. Right leg forward again. Left leg forward again. Remember, if you want to subscribe to the channel, kindly subscribe down below for me, guys. Subscribe for me. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. Papaoutai, 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 So it's me adding my own step, guys. Let's go from the start, so together. 5, 6, 7, go. Imbele to Bawe, Immerichi Malimbawe, Imbezinji Mawe, Inimali, Inimali. Imemarinja munzae, Inimali, Ute, Papaoutai, 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 So guys, that is dance tutorial for this trending Ute song. Trending Ute, like it's literally trending everywhere. Usually everywhere, you can check it anywhere. So I think it's Papaoutai. I put the spelling somewhere here. That's trending everywhere, guys. You can check it out at your own pace, at your own leisure time, niggas. So let's do one more time, guys. 5, 6, 7, go. Papaoutai, 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 That's it, guys. So please, I want to subscribe to the channel. Kindly subscribe down below. Like this video. Share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to watch the videos over here. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.